Do you want this effect? Layer effect will help you. Let's head into the video. Right here, I have 4 videos. One is Twix video under and 3 layer videos. First, I will mute this audio. And if your video not long enough for the song, you can retime it to make it fit. Remember, set it optical flow like this. Next, you need to select 3 layer videos and scale it down like this to fit the screen. Then compound it. Just drag and drop the effect on first video. I will turn shake X and Y. If you video too long, this shake will be kinda slow. So I will set this one around 2 or 3 will be perfect. Look really good for me. Now I will turn on flash effect. At transform. Right here, I will scale this to 0.65 to make scale effect. You can follow my step right here. Set this X size and Y size to 0.65. Go to third frame, then set a key for both. Go to second frame and change like what you want. Do it for the first frame too. Here is the result. Okay, I will copy then, paste attribute for 2 video left. For first video, set this to 0.8, and third video will be 0.2. In case if you have so much video behind, need to add effect, just copy and paste like this. That all. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching and peace out. Bye.